Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. So in this video I will be showing you guys how I created this very simple glam. This is definitely my go-to makeup look, and in this video I also used all drugstore products. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I snatched this face for the low, then please keep watching. Hey guys, so I'm gonna take my Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palette, and these are all of their single eyeshadows. You have to buy each of these eyeshadows individually and like create your own palette basically. So I'm gonna take this shade right here, and this is Fawn, and I used this in a previous video, and I told you guys I feel like this will be pretty all over the lids, like just for like a nude eye look. Smoke it out all over my eyes. I'm gonna place it on my eyelids first and then apply it in the crease, and I'm using It's My Ray Ray number 5 blending brush. And yeah, I haven't seen you guys in a week, and I'm so glad to be back. I am gonna stay consistent, y'all. A week is already long enough, so I'm not trying to go a week, 2 weeks, or even months gone again. So I'm so excited to be back. How are you guys doing? Let me know down in the comments. And this shade is really pretty, y'all. I'm still into my nudes, my browns, but in my next video I'm gonna do something. If you guys want me to do a colorful look, let me know. Or I can do I want to do like a updated like highlight and contour routine. I'm still gonna film the cut crease tutorial, like a very detailed video on how to cut your crease. That is still coming, and I want to post like an updated highlight and contour routine, because that is my favorite thing. That's my favorite part of makeup. What is y'all favorite part of makeup? Because the concealer and then like the contouring, that is my favorite part. Y'all, I love these eyelashes. I ain't even gonna lie. These, oh my gosh, these are very dramatic. I know, these are very dramatic. I stacked 2 lashes together, and I wore these in my Valentine's Day look. I don't know if it's too dramatic for this kind of look, but I like it. You know, there's barely anything on the eyes, so these are really standing out, but I really like it. My mom tell me this all the time. She be like, you can wear those eyelashes, you got some big old eyes. My mom be staring dead at my eyes, and she be like, where you about to fly off to? She play too much, but I like them. They look good. Okay, moving on. All right, you guys, so next, moving on to skin. I'm gonna try to use all drugstore products. Lately I've been using pretty expensive products, okay, but y'all know I love drugstore products. So I'm gonna start off by priming, and I'm using the Covergirl Full Spectrum Matte Ambition Mattifying Skin Primer. Jesus, why are these names so long? But it looks like this. Why did I do it like this? It looks cute, and hopefully I can edit back this video, post it on Instagram. That's why I did it like that. And this primer, y'all, if you have oily skin, this is a really nice, affordable primer that really mattifies your face. Like, you can literally feel it when you blend it into your skin. For foundation, I'm going to use the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Foundation in the shade 08A. You guys know I was obsessed with this foundation. This is a really nice full coverage drugstore foundation. It's really, really good. It's a very thick consistency in that foundation. If you're not into like heavy products, I wouldn't recommend that foundation because it's really thick, but it has a nice coverage. It doesn't get cakey. A lot of people used to say that it broke them out. I never had that problem. I'm just gonna apply it everywhere using my Sonia Kashuk sponge. Next, you guys, I will be taking the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Long Wear Concealer in the shade 150 Natural Sand. This is also a very good concealer. To be drugstore, this is very full coverage. This in their foundation is great. So another great drugstore concealer is the Maybelline Superstay concealer, y'all. These two are my favorite, and of course we cannot forget about the L'Oreal Infallible. This is the best one. This is very full coverage. So if you're looking for some very full coverage, I recommend these two. But all of these are great. So next, I'm going to cream contour using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation stick in the shade Almond. This is what it looks like, you guys. And I'm going to blend all of this out using the Eco Tools Base Buffer Brush. I really like this brush to blend out any cream contour. So you guys, I'm going to go ahead and set everywhere with my Huda Beauty Banana Bread setting powder. I don't have any drugstore setting powder, sadly. I only have the Huda Beauty and the Laura Mercier one. I wish I did have a drugstore one to go along with this video, but I don't. To set the cream contour, I'm using the NYX Highlight and Contour palette. Y'all know this is my go-to powder contour anyways, so this is nothing new. This is a shade that I use right here. It's more warm, and I use this on a Eco Tools round powder brush. Love these brushes. So for setting spray, I'm going to set my makeup with the Milani Make It Last Matte Setting Spray. Been very into matte makeup looks. Ooh, that smells strong. That smells pretty strong. So for highlight, I'm going to grab, of course, the Revlon Skin Light highlighter. You guys know I always grab this for highlighter, and this is in the shade Twilight Gleam. I'm going to use the It's My Ray Ray brush number 5. Wait, number 5. Oh, so the brush that I use for my eyeshadow is number 6. I told you guys it was 5. Highlighter brush is a number 5. I'm going to take the shade Fudge from the same Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I'm going to blend this underneath my bottom lash line with a Sigma E54 brush. For mascara, I'm going to take the Covergirl Flourish mascara right here. And I'm going to apply this to my bottom lashes and a little bit to the top right here. Just my real lashes right here. For lip liner, I'm using the NK Dark Brown Lip Liner. Y'all can find this at the beauty supply store for $1. Very affordable, very creamy. That is my go-to lip liner. And you guys should already know, I'm going to grab the Maybelline Coffee Edition Superstay Matte Ink in the shade Chai Genius. And I love this. Y'all know I have been obsessed with the Maybelline lip products lately. I'm going to apply this coconut oil lip gloss on top. I got this from Marshall's. Alright you guys, so this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys go and try out some of these products that I use in this video. Let me know what you think of this look down below, and I love you guys so much, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.